Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to our channel and thanks for logging on. If you love these videos, do me a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Watchbox Reviews. I would really appreciate it and I promise to update daily. If you love this watch, you can see it and you can purchase it on our website, thewatchbox.com. And today we are discussing a lovely blast from the still not too distant past, the 2005 3000 piece IWC Portuguese Hand-Wound F.A. Jones Limited Edition, a timepiece that celebrates IWC's most recognizable watch model and the American-born founder of what was then the International Watch Company. Then was 1868 and Florentine Ariosto Jones journeyed across the Atlantic from Boston, where he was a watchmaker and watch designer, to Switzerland, where he found that the French-speaking Watch Valley, the center of the Swiss watch industry, was basically closed shop and uninterested in adopting American principles of production. The German Swiss, on the other hand, were eager to get started, and thus Schaffhausen became a watch manufacturer. F.A. Jones brought along American pocket watch designs to which this model pays tribute, as it's a bit of a hybrid of a Portugueser and a pocket watch. Let's start with the case. This is where you find the Portugueser element. Of course, the timepiece, big as a Portuguese, the original 325 back in 1939, that was the reference, was a large watch for its time, being a manual wind wristwatch with a pocket watch movement. That continues here, 43 millimeters in diameter. You can see on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, it's a big watch and it dominates your forearm. Even a big wrist is going to wear this one large, but that's the look. It's not thick, however, only 11.3 millimeters thick. The watch sits flat and it will slip underneath the cuff. Appreciate the fact that lug-to-lug, it's nicely constrained, only 50.8 millimeters, which in my estimation makes this watch available and appropriate to wrists as small as 14 to 14.5 centimeters circumference. Though vintage in style, it does have a broad lug spacing. That's always a hallmark of a modern 21st century watch. Here, the lug spacing is 22 millimeters. And that'll be the size if you want to go aftermarket, but it gives the watch a nice planted modern stance. The timepiece features a robust strap. This is a luxurious piece, generously bolstered. You can see it's semi-gloss, large rectangular scale alligator leather. There's calfskin on the underside. There's a monotone stitch. It's a folded edge. You can see there's a pin buckle, vintage fashion, and all of high polish with a little revetment for the pin inside the buckle. I love that attention to detail. And it continues throughout the watch, where you'll see this is one of the rare IWC limited editions that features individual numbering. In general, IWC will print or engrave or stamp 1 out of X. So this would normally be 1 out of 3000. Individual numbering makes each watch individual and unique, and I appreciate it on this special edition named after the founder. You can see the caseband is slim, vintage in style. Slim casebands are one of those vintage watch qualities, and that's considered here in studied fashion, as we have a slim linear satin finish that contrasts with the polish of the bezel, the polish of the caseback to make it look even thinner than it is, and the polish of the lug hoods. There's a slender taper, and you can see the integrated lug and caseband. The watch is essentially a giant version of the same Art Deco or post-Bauhaus design ethic that underpinned the Patek Philippe Calatrava, the very first reference 96. They were of the same era, the Portuguese and the original 96, although dramatically different in size. The scale of this one is epic, and the integrated lugs with their taper are very Portuguese along with the case size. The dial, however, is more pocket watch, as you feature a polished lacquered base with a wonderful hand-applied clear coat on top, and you can see blue transferred numerals. This is the look of a vintage pocket watch from the late 19th century, the F.A. Jones era. In general, the Portuguese features an entirely different style with leaf hands and a less elaborate fashion of Arabic numerals. Here, you're getting the full-blown F.A. Jones pocket watch look in a Portuguese case. Appreciate the fact that it is beautifully detailed, and despite the fact that it is a lacquered set of indices and numerals that greet you, the dial doesn't seem flat because it's so glossy. It's almost like a mirror. It almost looks like wet paint. It almost has depth to it. Railroad style, constant seconds with a counterweighted needle seconds hand. Note there is hacking seconds. The watch features wonderful Breguet style hands, blued steel at center. It's gorgeous, it's lustrous, and it bears the signature of the man himself up at 12 o'clock. Turn it all over. Oh my goodness, look at this movement, taking you right back to the 1870s. You can see it features a damascening pattern that you would have seen on an F.A. Jones era pocket watch, along with jewels set in chaton, a 3/4 style bridge, and the famous extended Jones arrow index regulator. So it has all of those features that are characteristic of pocket watches, and it also has an engine turning across the base plate. There's a chamfer across the edge of each bridge. All of the screw heads are black polished, and if you get close, you can see the refinements, which are manifold. 18 jewels adjusted in 5 positions like a chronometer. Appreciate the fact that the balance has an overcoil hairspring, so it will take and hold a very precise regulation across those 5 positions because of the concentric beating properties of the hairspring. It beats evenly without gaining time or losing time in any orientation with respect to gravity. You can even see some of the flourishes applied here. This is a pocket watch manual wind movement with a 46-hour power reserve. Look at that vintage style and highly elaborate click and click spring. That's not necessary, but I'm glad it's here. It's a big movement that's sized to fit its case in true manufacturer fashion. A little bit of the old school. You can see the image of an F.A. Jones pocket watch on the back of a timepiece bearing a dial to match and a case iconic of IWC, the Portugueser. One of 3,000 made for 2005. This is the Portuguese Hand-Wound F.A. Jones, the 5442-03.